Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Mercedes-Benz tire. First, prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a level, stable surface, well away from moving traffic. Always engage the parking brake and turn on your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Next, locate your spare tire, the vehicle jack, and the lug wrench, which are typically stored in the trunk or under the cargo floor. Having these tools ready saves time. With your tools ready, use the lug wrench to loosen each lug nut on the flat tire by about 1/2 to 1 full turn. Do not remove them yet. Next, find the designated jack point on your Mercedes-Benz, usually a reinforced area on the frame near the flat tire. Position the jack securely and slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, allowing it to spin freely. Now, completely remove all the lug nuts you previously loosened and carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. Set it aside. Next, lift your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on the vehicle's hub. Carefully push the spare tire onto the studs until it sits flush against the hub. Then, hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the studs. With the spare tire in place and hand tightened, slowly lower your Mercedes-Benz using the jack until the spare tire just makes contact with the ground. Now, use the lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star or crisscross pattern for even pressure. Finally, lower the vehicle completely, remove the jack, and store all your tools and the flat tire securely in the trunk. Drive cautiously to a service center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.